In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the list of all groups joined on Facebook. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your Facebook account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or use different accounts on the same device. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage. In that menu, click on Groups. Depending on your screen size or the version of Facebook you're seeing, this option may not appear right away. If that happens, click See More to expand the menu and reveal additional options. Then select Groups from the list. When you open the Groups section, Facebook will take you to an area where you can manage and browse your group activity. From there, click on Your Groups. This is the section that brings together the groups you're currently a member of, making it much easier to review everything in one place instead of searching manually. Once you click your groups, a list of all the groups you've joined will be displayed. This gives you a simple overview of your memberships, whether you've joined just a few groups or many over time. It's a useful place to check communities you follow, revisit older groups you may have forgotten about, or quickly confirm whether you're already a member of a specific group. If you want to open any of them, just click on the group name. Facebook will take you directly to that group so you can view posts, participate in discussions, or manage your membership settings if needed. A helpful tip is to take your time scanning the list, especially if you belong to a large number of groups. Some may be more active than others, and this page can help you decide which groups you still want to engage with regularly. And that's all it takes. Open Facebook, log in, go to Groups from the left-hand menu, click See More if necessary, select your groups, and you'll be able to see the full list of groups you've joined. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your Facebook groups.